Shut up and sit down.
Greetings, fellow Earth travelers. Oblix here, and today we're going to take a look at our Watch Gang October Black Tier subscription. Yeah, I know. We've already done an October unboxing, I should say. And we've done a November unboxing, so Oblix, what the heck are you smoking? Well, there's some backstory. If you just want to see the box open, skip forward a little bit so you can get to that. But I'm going to give you a little bit of backstory on why we're repeating the October unboxing. So we unboxed a Blacklist Streetmatic back in the middle of October. In the video, we showed that watch had a few minor issues, but Watch Gang watched the video and got in touch with me and asked me, hey, we'd like to make that right. We would like to take care of it and replace it for you. And at first I wasn't going to do it. I was like, you run what you brung. You send a bad one, I'm going to review a bad one. But I slept on it and I said, you know what? Everybody deserves a second chance. Every company can make a mistake. Every person can make a mistake. Let's give them the opportunity to fix it. And it wasn't Watch Gang's fault. It was Blacklist. But, Watch Gang did the right thing and said, hey, we'd like to make it right. So I contacted them back and said, sure, let's go ahead and replace it, but I would only if it can be the exact same thing. Or it doesn't have to be the exact same color, but it needs to be a Blacklist Streetmatic. It can be one of the other colors, but still a Blacklist Streetmatic. They agreed, said, sure, we normally don't do that, but we're going to make an exception in this case, and they did. And they sent me a Blacklist Streetmatic. So we opened that one, and if you watch my Blacklist Streetmatic review, that's the one. That's the second Blacklist Streetmatic. And I mentioned that in the video, and there were horrible flaws with that watch. It was bad, guys. Big nasty hair. I'll put in a photo right here. Underneath the applied 9 o'clock indices, that was actually the hand was coming by and hitting the hair, which was causing it to not, I believe, in my opinion, not a watchmaker or watch repairer, but in my opinion, that was causing it to not keep correct time, because it would be, I'd go to sleep and I'd wake up and it'd be 3 hours off. Just horrible quality control on Blacklist part. And I ribbed them in the review because it was bad, guys. 2 watches, both of them had quality control issues. One severe and one so-so. But, if you can't get it right out of 2, that's rough. So this time I contacted Watch Gang because I'm like, I spent $100 on this thing. I'm not going to keep a watch with a big gnarly hair in it that doesn't keep time. What's the point in having a watch that doesn't keep time? So I contacted them and said, hey guys, this ain't going to work. You need to replace this thing. So they said, after some back and forth, this time was a little bit more challenging, but not too bad. They wanted video proof and such, so hey, I did the review. There you go. There's your video proof. They went ahead and replaced it. This is the replacement. So this is why this is our October 2018 Watch Gang Black Tier subscription. And I'm going to tell you, this is the biggest box I've ever gotten from Watch Gang. And I don't know what's in here. They said it may or may not be a Streetmatic. It may not be a Blacklist. We don't know what it's going to be. You're going to get what you get. I said, okay, fair enough. Since we've already done 2 Blacklists and they were both bad. So here's what we got. You bear with me, I am standing up. I normally sit at the table. I'm having to stand up. I've got the tripod jacked all the way up to get this box in frame. But let's pop this bad boy open. I'm still using that copper Kershaw. Gorgeous knife. Love this thing. I've been carrying it, trying to get that patina to wear in. Slow, but sure. Still looking good, though. Get this guy opened up. And alright, big old box. Let's see what we got. Big old box for a modestly less, but still big old... Boy, that's heavy box. My goodness. Alright, big old white box. Oh man, that is super heavy, guys. So white all the way around. Let's slide that open. And it says a Vanguard Automatic. Very cool looking logo. Loving that bear. And the little VG there. Pop that up so you can see it. See that VG right there? Really cool logo. Like that a lot. Oh, it is a front open box. Look at this. Boy, that is an impressive display, guys. Holy cripes. Oh, my, my. Well, I tell you, if the watch is half as good as the box. It is fake wood. You know, it's wrapped in like a vinyl, but hey, that's okay. Oh, neat pusher. Felt bottom. Definitely good presentation. So let me slide the camera down so you guys can take a better look. Alright guys, we're back to our more normal setup at a more normal height here. And let's crack this bad boy open, this Vanguard Automatic. Push the pusher and away we go. Boy, that's a nice looking case, I gotta say. Move it in a little bit so you guys can see the rest. Some silica, we'll eat that later. I don't remember who says that. That's always made me laugh. Some reviewer out there says that all the time. Oh, get this guy out of here. On the pillow. Ooh, it's very dirty. There we go. That is a slick looking piece, I gotta say. Look at that. Wow. That leather is awesome. Wow, look at that case back, guys. Holy cripes, that is an awesome looking piece. So we'll set that aside for a minute and let's take a look at what else shows up in the box. Pull the bottom out. Oh, nice. In here we've got additional band or strap, canvas strap with what looks to be a leather back. Handmade in Germany, Vanguard Automatic, canvas straps with leather back. I'm assuming that's leather, pleather maybe, but still very nice. Branded buckle. Really cool. And up here, got a metal warranty card. Fantastic. And our instruction manual. Wow. Full color with pictures. That's a rarity. Really nice, guys. Really, really nice. Loving it. Of course, I can't ever fit things back in. There we go. Get this super nice box out of the way. Alright guys, there we go. The Vanguard Automatic. Slid the hands around so we could read the bottom down here, and it looks like Victorville. I'm assuming that's the model. That sunburst is really nice on that dial, and that just really awesome detail around on that chapter ring. You know, those markings are excellent. Very easy to read. Date window, date complication at 3 o'clock. Loving the hands and the little blip of red down there on the end of the second hand. This band, guys, is super nice. This leather is excellent with contrast stitching. Butterfly buckle. It is branded Vanguard Automatic. It does have quick releases right there. And it says handmade in Germany. Alright, get this on the leather strap. I did go ahead and get it sized for me. always have trouble with these butterfly straps on camera. So let's see if I can make it happen. I'm going to reach around the tripod here. There we go. Probably actually cinch that up one more. I don't know, guys. I am liking that leather. Sure is nice looking. I did look it up, and this guy is running the Miyota 8215. And if I had to make any criticism to this guy, at least this far, you know, before I've really spent some time with it, it's typical of 8215s. I'll hold it up to the mic. Hopefully you guys can hear that. It's rotor noise. That rotor moves swinging back and forth. Makes quite a bit of noise. But again, that's kind of normal for an 8215. Yeah. But the watch itself is just drop dead gorgeous. So they do say it is Swiss Superluminova. We'll take a look at that in the full review. We'll try to get that out around the early part of December here, once I get a little wrist time on this guy. Nice smooth movement. Wow, that is a good looking piece, that sunburst. This guy's called Dusk, by the way, is the model. It comes in 4 different colors. Black and a blue, and this one, and one other one I can't remember off the top of my head. Yeah, really good looking piece. Knocked it out of the park. We'll get some wrist time on this guy and check it out. Alright guys, I think that's all the time I got for today as we check out this Vanguard Victorville, our Watch Gang Black Tier subscription for the month of October 2018. Remember, Black Tier watch is valued between, we pay $100, $99, and their watch is valued between $150 and $500. So definitely a good one on this guy, even though we had to replace that Streetmatic twice. Very, very happy with this. I think we'll get some good wear into it and then get a good review of it here shortly. But hey, third time's the charm, right? Alright guys, till next time, y'all get out there and make some noise. We'll see ya.